Stephen, what was the issue or gap that your project addressed?
Yeah, we are looking at an industry, construction industry, which has a big skills gap between what we currently do and essentially sustainable construction, which is where we're going. We have a lot of targets in place set by the UK government, and we have to meet those targets without having to import all of our employees essentially. So there's an element of upskilling professionals already in the industry and bringing new people into the industry who with the right skills to meet the future demand. Overall, we were looking to train 1,250 people in sustainable construction, of which I think 615 were either unemployed or inactive. On top of that, we're engaging with as many companies as possible, the target being 280 companies within the construction industry, all SMEs.
What was your approach?
Well, our approach was really a strategy that's been years in the making actually. We've been working with employers over a number of years to try and understand what the skills needs are and what they're likely to be. The other element of the approach is to understand that with or without the funding this needed to be done. So we wanted to be in a place where we could move forward with that strategy and then look beyond the funding to where we go afterwards.
Why was the project so successful?
Partly we got a lot of the basics right, as in we had the right team at the right time, we had the right expertise doing what they do, so bringing in experts from the industry. We also had employers in place, so we knew what the needs were, and understanding what the industry needs is essentially the best marketing tool that you can have, so everyone was going towards the same end essentially.
What has ESF Cedar funding enabled you to do that you couldn't have done without it?
Well, the ESF Cedar funding was really a catalyst for doing what we needed to do in the first place, which was bring together the skills required to deliver to the industry something that's very badly needed, not just within the region that we're working in, but beyond. We'd like to tell the ESF world and beyond that these sort of projects are really, really key. So the public-private partnerships in place are really important, and we need to continue those as much as possible.